Look at number 4 over there. He seems to be favoring the left platform today.
I noticed that the intake levels are slightly lower than yesterday.
The dorsal scanner is showing a slight anomaly on the lower flank.
Rerunning the diagnostic now. The subcutaneous scan looks clear.
Keep an eye on the flow rate in loop 3. Temperatures are holding steady across the board.
Temperature holding steady at 3 degrees Celsius.
Confirmed. The flow rate is optimized.
The cultures have been introduced. The mixing velocity is stable.
Excellent. Proceed with the fermentation sequence.
The rennet injection is complete on tank 4.
Curd formation looks optimal.
Noted. We are holding temperature steady. Look at the acidity reading here. It's exactly where it needs to be. The flow rate is perfect. The reading on the tablet shows we are within tolerance.
Yes, the alignment is holding steady. We can maintain this pace.
We should check the density on this rope before the next lift.
Agreed. Let's make sure the flow rate is constant.
Scan complete on block 12. Visual confirms. Approved for sorting.
Look at lane 2. We have a consistent overweight reading.
It's already diverted and trimmed. System looks good.
The automated vacuum packaging line operates with precision, utilizing robotic arms and heat presses.
The pressure reading here is consistent with the flow rate.
Good. The automated valves are holding steady.
If we reroute the flow, we can optimize the stacking sequence here.
Good idea. I'll adjust the parameters after the shift.
A little to the left, then drop it slow. Copy that, watching the forks.
We have an alert on crane 7, but it looks like the system is already compensating.
Acknowledged. The predictive maintenance algorithm is working well.
Pallet 7 just cleared the gate. Inventory updated.
Confirmed. Everything looks accurate on the manifest.
We have a priority shipment for the next truck. Clear the main conveyor.
Acknowledged. Robots rerouting.
Your refrigeration unit is clear. Proceed to the main gate.
Copy that. See you on the highway.
We need that shipment routed to aisle 7 immediately. Keep the flow moving.
Check the flow rate on lane 7. We have a slight bottleneck forming. Adjusting the parameters now. It should clear up immediately.
Clear that pallet by the door now. Keep the cheese moving.
We need the brie on the second shelf, next to the cheddar.
Got it. How many more boxes left?
Just this last one.
Oh wow, they have the Hippo brand in stock. Is this the one with the low sodium?
Did you want paper or plastic today?
Oh, paper, please.
Did you get the Hippo cheese scan?
Yep, got it.
That'll be $32.50.
Here is your receipt. Thank you.
Thank you.
నేను ఎంతో టెక్నిక్ అగ్యవం తేంజాప Very good. Urgent milk cabin deck. Senator 120.
Here at the plant, we see the continuous production loop in perfect synchronization, from extraction to automated packaging and crating.
From raw materials to the hands of the consumer, the journey of a product is a complex ballet of industry and innovation.